Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom self-inking stamps. Now, of course, this is the result of the self-inking stamp. You can see everything's really nice and clear and sharp. The main reason for that is because we use vectors. So whenever a customer sends us files to do, especially a rubber stamp or stencils, we require vectors. The reason for that is because when you zoom in, everything's nice and sharp. Well, if you use bitmaps, which would be like a color photograph or something like that, everything gets kind of blurry and jagged. So vectors are incredibly important, especially for self-inking stamps or just regular stamps. Now I'll just show you the stamp as you can see it. So this one here, you can see, I'll put it right side up. So you can see where the black is, and that black is the area that we don't laser engrave, and everything around it is what we laser engrave, and that's what produces the result that you see here. Now when it comes to your design options and font options, they're completely endless. As long as they're sharp images, we can literally produce them in any volume that you want, but any scale that you want, across all the stamps. So this one here, that's the one I just showed you. This is the other one. So you can see here. So here you actually have an image as part of a specialized font going all the way through it. Now, again, the black part is what we don't laser engrave. And the result you can see over here. So again, you have very fine images here, and that's fine. There's not too much of an issue with very fine details. When you start to get into details, maybe 1/32, or maybe even 1/16, depending on what else is on the stamp, you might start having issues where there's not enough surface area for the ink to adhere to. But generally, that's few and far between, considering all the stamps we made through the years here at CNCKing.com. So you can have any sort of mix and match of fonts, imagery, text, whatever you can think of. We can do that on a stamp. Now, of course, this is the Professional 5211. So it's one step down from the 5212, which is the world's largest self-inking stamp. This one is just a little bit smaller, and it's fine for a lot of great applications. If you don't need a massive stamp, this is really the second best seller that we have here at CNCKing.com. And because we have a Trotec laser and we're affiliated with Trodat, the world's largest stamp manufacturer, it means that all of our supplies are actually optimized for stamp making by the stamp makers themselves. So if you're looking for a custom self-inking stamp or regular stamps that might be a different spec, let's say you wanted something that was 5 inches round, you can't get a self-inking at that size, we can do that for you just as well in the shop. So contact us at CNCKing.com, we'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.